Stop scrolling. Start listening. Want to transform your podcast into bite-sized Instagram gold, attracting new listeners with addictive audio and eye-catching visuals. First, head over to your Buzzsprout dashboard and open the episode containing the soundbite you wish to share. Click on the Share Episode button. It's usually very obvious on the episode page. Next, select Create Soundbite from your share options. Buzzsprout's Soundbite Generator is your secret weapon, and it makes sharing on Instagram easier than ever. Now, the fun begins. The Soundbite Editor visualizes your audio in a timeline. Drag the start and end markers to perfectly capture your key audio snippet. You can customize the length and trim the unnecessary parts, selecting the precise moment that pops. Time for personality. Elevate your soundbite with a visually engaging background. Buzzsprout offers a variety of options. You can adjust the waveform and add customized text. Consider using a fun waveform color that matches your podcast brand, and incorporate text to give context around your content. After creating your perfect soundbite, download the video, hop over to the Instagram app on your phone and begin a new post. Select the downloaded soundbite from your phone's gallery. Write a compelling caption that entices listeners with a call to action. Use relevant hashtags like #podcast_promotion and #soundbite marketing to increase visibility. Remember to tag any guests that are featured in your soundbite. Hit share, and voila.